Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Zone. In today's lesson, we're going to tackle one of the most important aspects of learning English: mistakes. We all make them, but the good news is we can fix them. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, understanding common mistakes is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. So let's dive in and learn how to correct the top 30 errors people often make in English. 1. Using much with countable nouns. Mistake: saying, "I have much apples." This is incorrect because much is used for uncountable nouns. How to fix it? Use many instead. Correct sentence: I have many apples. Tip: remember, many for countable nouns, books, cars, ideas, and much for uncountable nouns, water, sugar, information. 2. Confusing few and a few. Mistake: saying, "I have few money." This is wrong because few means not enough, but a few means some. How to fix it? Use a few instead. Correct sentence: I have a few dollars. Tip: use few when something is lacking or insufficient, and a few when there is a small but positive amount. 3. Using less with countable nouns. Mistake: saying less books. This is incorrect because less is for uncountable nouns. How to fix it? Use fewer. For countable nouns. Correct sentence: I have fewer books. Tip: fewer for countable, less for uncountable. Example: fewer cars, less water. 4. Misusing some and any. Mistake: saying, "I don't have some time." This is wrong because some is used in positive sentences and offers, while any is for negative sentences and questions. How to fix it? Use any for negatives and questions. Correct sentence: I don't have any time. 5. Using much for countable nouns. Mistake: saying, "I don't have much friends." This is incorrect because much is used with uncountable nouns. How to fix it? Use many for countable nouns. Correct sentence: I don't have many friends. 6. Overusing good and not using well correctly. Mistake: saying, "She sings good." This is wrong because good is an adjective and should not be used to describe actions. How to fix it? Use well to describe actions. Correct sentence: she sings well. 7. Confusing since and for. Mistake: saying, "I've been studying since 2 hours." This is incorrect because since refers to a specific point in time and for refers to a duration. How to fix it? Use for to describe a duration of time. Correct sentence: I've been studying for 2 hours. 8. Saying very with adjectives that already imply intensity. Mistake: saying, "It's very unique." This is wrong because unique is already an extreme adjective, meaning one of a kind. How to fix it? Remove very when using extreme adjectives. Correct sentence: It's unique. 9. Misplacing ever and never. Mistake: saying, "I have never been to Paris ever." This is redundant. How to fix it? Use never without ever. Correct sentence: I have never been to Paris. 10. Using more better or more worse. Mistake: saying, "This is more better than that." This is wrong because better and worse are already comparative adjectives. How to fix it? Just use better or worse. Correct sentence: This is better than that. Mistakes 11 to 20. Grammar errors. 11. Missing articles a, an, and the. Mistake. Saying she is teacher. This is incorrect because English usually requires articles before nouns. How to fix it? Use a or an for indefinite articles and the for definite articles. Correct sentence: she is a teacher. 12. Incorrect word order in questions. Mistake. Saying you are coming to the party. This is incorrect because the subject and auxiliary verb are in the wrong order. How to fix it? The correct question form is, are you coming to the party? 13. Using on instead of in for months and seasons. Mistake. Saying I was born on March. This is wrong because months and seasons take in, not on. How to fix it? Use in for months and seasons. Correct sentence: I was born in March. 14. Confusing much with many in negative sentences. Mistake. Saying, I don't have much books. This is incorrect because many should be used for countable nouns. How to fix it? Use many for countable nouns in negative sentences. Correct sentence: I don't have many books. 15. Incorrect use of there is versus there are. Mistake. Saying there is many people here. This is wrong because many people is plural. How to fix it? Use there are with plural nouns. Correct sentence: there are many people here. 16. Using double negatives. Mistake. Saying, I don't need no help. This is wrong because double negatives create confusion. How to fix it? Use a single negative. Correct sentence: I don't need any help. 17. Confusing been and gone. Mistake. Saying, I have gone to the store. This is incorrect if you are currently at the store. How to fix it? Use been for experiences that happened in the past and are now completed. Correct sentence: I have been to the store. 18. Using the wrong preposition after verbs. Mistake. Saying, she is married with him. This is incorrect because the correct preposition is to. How to fix it? Use the correct preposition. Correct sentence: she is married to him. 19. Incorrect plural forms with F. Mistake. Saying, she has 5 knife. This is wrong because the plural of knife is knives. How to fix it? Change the word to its plural form. Correct sentence: she has 5 knives. 20. Using good instead of well after verbs of action. Mistake. Saying, he cooks good. This is wrong because you need well to describe actions. How to fix it? Use well for actions. Correct sentence: he cooks well. 21. Confusing say, tell, and speak. Mistake. Saying, she said me the truth. Incorrect because say doesn't take a direct object like me. How to fix it? Correct. She told me the truth. Also correct. She said the truth to me. Tip. Say plus something. Tell plus someone plus something. Speak to with someone. 22. Using me too instead of so do I in formal English. Mistake. Saying I like chocolate or me too. While this is common in conversation, it's informal. How to fix it? Formal. So do I. Informal. Me too. Tip. Use so do I or neither do I for agreeing formally. 23. Saying I'm agree instead of I agree. Mistake. Saying I'm agree with you. Wrong because agree is a verb, not an adjective. How to fix it. Correct. I agree with you. Tip. Never add am is are before agree. It stands alone as a verb. 24. Using funny instead of fun. Mistake. Saying, the party was so funny. Wrong unless people were laughing. How to fix it. Use fun for enjoyment. Correct. The party was fun. Correct. Use funny for something that makes you laugh. The movie was funny. 25. Mixing up do and make. Mistake. Saying, I need to do a decision. Wrong because we make decisions. How to fix it. Correct. I need to make a decision. Common make expressions. Make a mistake. Make a choice. Make a plan. Common do expressions. Do homework. Do the dishes. Do a job. 26. Incorrect pronunciation of ed endings. Mistake. Saying he talked to me yesterday with the e pronounced. Incorrect. Not every ed is pronounced the same. How to fix it. 3 correct ways to pronounce ed. T, talked. D, played. Ed, wanted. If the base verb ends in T or D, say ed. Otherwise, follow regular rules. 27. Saying he don't instead of he doesn't. Mistake. Saying he don't like pizza. Wrong because the third person singular form of do is does. How to fix it? Correct. He doesn't like pizza. 28. Confusing lose and loose. Mistake. Saying don't lose your phone. Wrong. Loose means not tight. Lose means misplace. How to fix it? Correct. Don't lose your phone. Tip. Lose equals not find. Loose equals not tight. Using double comparatives. Mistake. Saying, this book is more easier. Wrong because easier already includes comparison. How to fix it? Correct. This book is easier. Tip. Never use more with er adjectives like better, faster, stronger. 30. Saying it's depends instead of it depends. Mistake. Saying it's depends on the situation. Incorrect because depends is the main verb and needs no is. How to fix it? Correct. It depends on the situation. Conclusion. Let's fix your English. One mistake at a time. You did it! You just went through 30 of the most common English mistakes. And more importantly, how to fix them. That's a huge step toward fluency. Let's quickly review what we've learned. The difference between many, much, few, a few, and since, for. How to correct common grammar errors with verbs, articles, and prepositions. How to avoid pronunciation and vocabulary mistakes like lose, loose, and fun, funny. And remember, mistakes are not a sign of failure. They are proof that you are learning. Final tips to master English. Write down 5 of your most common mistakes from this list. Practice fixing them by writing 3 to 5 example sentences. Watch native content and repeat phrases out loud. Keep a mistake journal. Review it weekly. Your challenge. Choose 5 mistakes from today's lesson that you make often. Write a comment below with your new corrected version, and I'll give you feedback. Thanks for watching Learn English Zone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for weekly masterclasses, like this video, leave a comment with your questions, share it with a friend learning English. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and never stop improving. See you soon in the next video.